If you're a fan of Lil Durk or you've been following the high-profile federal case, I have a frustrating news for you today. We thought we were finally going to see the beginning of the end of this month. We thought January 2026 was the day everything started, but it looked like we wrong. Breaking reports are confirming that Lil Durk's federal murder for hire trial is facing yet another delay. And the crazy part is, Durk didn't even want it. We're talking about potential push all the way to May the 26th. That much more of the sitting in the cell with no bond. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why this delay happened, the massive amount of evidence the Fed just dumped on the defense, and the shocking split between Durk and his co-defendants. Regardless of the decision, does this mean the team is falling apart? Let's get into it. Okay, so let's look at the facts. Originally, after the first few delays, back late 2025, the judge had set the trial date for January 20th, 2026. They're literally around the corner. Everyone was gearing up for this. But a new request had been filed. And you know who did it? The prosecutors. And 3 of Durk co-defendants, they asked the judge to push the trial date back to May the 26th. Why? The reason they gave us the case is, quote, unusual and complex. Now, complex is lawyers speak for there is way too much stuff to go through. We learned at the discovery in the case that the evidence the government has collected is really absolutely massive. I'm talking about lots of evidence. We're hearing reports of over 30,000 pages of documents, plus hundreds of gigabytes of videos and audio recordings. So the lawyer for the co-defendants are saying, look, judge, we can't possibly be ready to defend our client in 2 weeks. We need more time to read through the case, 30,000 pages. And honestly, from a legal standpoint, that makes sense. I know nobody ain't trying to rush into a federal trial unprepared, but there where things really getting interesting. I'm talking about, and this is the type of part the blogs are going crazy over. Why the prosecutor and the co-defendants agreed to ask for the delay? Lil Durk objected. I would object too. Who gonna sit there? You've been sitting there in that cell all this time, all these months. No bond. You get one phone call. Come on. Legal term told the court, no, we want to go to trial now. I would have told him I want to go to trial now too. What is y'all? Lil Durk say he want to go to trial. I would have been like, I would have stood up. We need to go and speed this up. I'm ready to go today. This tells us a lot about Durk's mindset right now. He been locked up since October 24th. He been denied bond multiple times. He's sitting in a federal detention center in Los Angeles while the world keeps spinning. He clearly feels that he has strong defense or just tired of waiting. I'll be tired of waiting. Usually in these big RICO or conspiracy case, defendants move as a unit. They all delay together. They all strategize together. But for Durk to say, I object, while his supposed team says we need time, so the crack in the armor. So on one hand, Durk saying this and the lawyer saying that, I feel like my lawyers decide with the defense. Is Durk frustrated with his co-defendants? Does he feel like his lawyer are dragging their feet? Or does he just want his day in court to prove his innocence so he can go home to his family? Remember, every day delay is another day he's stuck in a cell. Let's talk about the evidence against Lil Durk because the numbers are struggling. Okay, 30,000 pages. Think about that. That's not just a free witness statement. They're like phone records, might be flight logs, could possibly be text message DMs, and probably most likely they're gonna have wiretap. The feds have been building these cases for a long time, since tragedy shooting in 2022 that took the life of Surveyor Robinson, Quando Rondo cousin. The alleged that Durk paid for the hit. When the defense say the case is complex, they mean the government trying to link the specific payment, the specific phone calls, the specific movement to a murder plot. The defense needs to tie the whole, I'm talking about like the story just like crazy, because we putting everything on hold for the defense really to get prepared. But if the trial does get pushed to May the 4th, it gives Durk lawyer more time to comb through that data. Even though Durk objected now, it could be a blessing in disguise for him. But if the lawyer missed one crucial email or text message because they were rushing to meet a January deadline, it could cost him his life, or at least his freedom for life. You know, think about it. There's a saying in the legal world, justice is delayed and justice denied. But in federal court, rushing is suicide to some peoples. Because I've seen some people go in there and ask for a speedy trial and win the case. I understand why Durk mad. He the star. He the one losing millions of dollars. I'm talking the torn revenue. He the one with the target on his back. But if the judge grants the delay, you know what I'm saying? You know, they always do anyway. When the case is so big, Durk J gonna have to sit tight for another 4 to 5 months. This also brings up the question of the co-defendants. You know what I'm saying? By them, like, they asking for more time. If they looking for a plea deal, usually when lawyers ask for delays, they are buying time to negotiate. Not saying anyone is snitching, but in federal cases, I'm talking the pressure get heavier. The longer you sit, if one of those co-defendants crack between now and May, that changes everything for Durk. Let's just be honest. That just gonna change everything for the Durk. One co-defendant break bad. If one break bad, think about it. If one of them co-defendants break bad on Lil Durk, there's gonna be more evidence, not just the little pages or the gigabytes and the pages of evidence they have on him. Then they're gonna have a witness, which they already seen it, already broke it down. They had already said once that they have a key witness. And we all know what a key witness means. A key witness, they're gonna be the number one star witness if he the key witness. And more likely, they ain't picking anybody to be a key witness. That potential person gonna have to know a lot about the whole situation. Y'all stick around. We're gonna keep you updated as this unfolds. If you ain't subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. I'm out. Until next time, peoples.